This is wonderful. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Pare and I'm back again with a brand new video. So today I'm gonna show you another Sunderland accommodation. I'm gonna take you to Force U student hostel. I think this is one of the best accommodation in Sunderland. So come with me, let's go. This is all that you need. You can.
If it's love that you need, you can take it from me, 'cause I'm the one who's giving it up. And I know it's been hard, but you've made it this far. No, I'm the one who's giving it up.
So guys, I'm about to take you to the Ensuite rooms. These are the most popular and the most sought after rooms that students really ask for. The Ensuite room is fully furnished and is newly refurbished. It has up to 16 square meters, 3/4 bed, ensuite shower and toilet, study area, standard wardrobe. It also has a well-furnished kitchen with fridge and freezer, kettles, toaster, dishwasher, cooker, extractor fan, and a whole lot of utensils, all provided for the students. The ensuite is £110 per week with bills included. It has a Wi-Fi with up to 100 Mbps, 24-hour security, and a lot more. So let me show you around. You can check out the view. The view is amazing. So let's get to the kitchen. Oh, this is a fridge.
Let's go. Sometimes I feel like the pain won't go away. Trapped in a lifestyle where I can't progress. Do this for the people that mean the most to me. So how can I stop it? I sacrifice so much shit for this. So how can I stop it? If music don't give, then what's gonna give?
We have some cutlery here.
Yeah, I'm busy making profit. Somewhere in London, I'm probably all alone 'cause I feel no one's real. Yeah, I'm gone from these problems. You were my brother then, but you snaked me in the field. So how can I trust it? And I can't trust the whole public.
Oh, this is the dishwasher. So lovely.
And I'ma get these millions, man, that's
So guys, let's get to the bedroom. This is wonderful. Now let's get down to the meeting place. The meeting place is just like a small bar for students. You can't buy anything here, but you can come with your drinks, food, sit out with friends, have a meeting. As the name implies, the meeting place. There's a free computer that students can use, lot of games, and this place is kept clean regularly.
Sorry.
How's your work?
Yeah, good, yeah.
All right.
I'm not gonna lie to you kids, it's a f***ing jungle out there. Keep your head on tight, unknown brain and mind me, baby, let's do it. Y'all see me flying, never drop down, smoking high, I am not round, I'm not round, no denying what I got now, keep an eye out, keep it locked down, see me flying, never drop down, smoking high, I am not round, I'm not round, no denying what I got now, keep an eye out, keep it locked down, you're too strong when I battle with the beast, bring a few on, the commander and the chief, all my crew on, bullets rattling and whistle at your toque, never sleep, eyes open, hands clutching on my loop, this a war zone. It's a war zone. Yo, this a motherfucking war zone.